We completed mole concept. We started. They are showing. Wait. Fine, but I'm not able to see that one. You can send through SMS if anyone, please. Yeah, someone they're showing notes. Fine, thank you for that one. But I'm not able to see that is little bit. Okay, number of moles formulas I given. Is it correct? That also up to gram formula. I think so. Which is the given? Mm, for ionic compounds also given. I think so. For ionic compounds is correct. For ionic compounds, for molecules, all these things they mentioned. Yes or no? Just give me reply. It's the last siding. At least you can write that siding. Then you can continue. Last siding. What we done? Someone they're asking KVPY portion. Okay. We'll discuss that is. You don't worry. See, KVPY, all these exams, 100% chemistry will help you up to end. If you are just interest, more than enough. Even you don't have knowledge, nothing is a problem. But if you have interest, I need to qualify KVPY. We can try our best this coming November. If anything, suppose even still we done well, but we didn't get, but at least next year means 12th standard 200% you can get. But we need your own interest. If you have sufficient interest, more than enough, I will help you wherever you are, any school, that doesn't matter. That is. I'm asking what is the last concept name, please. What we done last concept name I need. I'm not able to see that one. Okay, ionic compounds, we discuss that one. Fine. Okay, clear. Understood. We can continue. Now class onwards, a little bit interesting because numericals is there. That's why a little bit interesting our class. And now onwards, we can try to do, if possible, previous questions also. Once our class is completed. Clear? Please. I think so. Mole concept we are discussing. Is it correct? How to find out number of moles are given still now? I hope three formulas. One is for elements are given, for molecules are given, and for ionic compounds. Moles of formula unit, I hope I given formula, and moles of molecules. I'm giving together all the things, sir. Number of moles symbol is N. This is the symbol number of moles. You can write given weight by weight of the substance by. If you are taking atoms, write gram atomic mass. Okay, or I'm writing sir all these things. Number of moles equal to, or given weight by. If that is molecule, you can write gram molecular mass. Otherwise, if they given volume, V liters. If they mention volume, then you can find out 22.4 liters. Or I wrote 22.4 liters means that should be at STP condition. They will mention. Number of moles formulas are all these things. How to calculate number of moles? I think so already mole I given. 1 mole equal to Avogadro number. 1 mole equal to Avogadro number, that is equal to its molecular weight. That's equal to its molecular weight or atomic weight. Even we are going to be prove that one. Here we are going to be prove that one, everything. Now are you getting my voice? I hope. Because someone they said low voice, that's why. Fine, fine. Thank you. Next, we can see I think you noted on these formulas. We're expecting if a number of moles equal to same. If you convert into ml, VML at STP by 22.22400 ml. I am converting it later into ml, sir. That's only. But this STP conditions only. I think so STP means already you know that one standard temperature pressure. What's the temperature value, sir? 273.15 Kelvin. Pressure is 1 atm. Is it correct? This is the STP conditions. So at these conditions, 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters. Is it correct? I given already that point. STP means standard temperature pressure. STP means standard temperature pressure. Right, given or not STP at STP 1 mole of gas occupies 22.4 liters. Is it given? Yes, yes, fine. Please refer class notes. Huh? That's why I'm giving time every class starting 10 minutes. Refer your class notes. It may take some time for other people's how to prepare for entrance exam. Some people already they know path. If you are not still serious or some people they don't know path, please find very fast because already some people they started 6th and 7th standard only. So we have to reach them. Fine. Now still I am giving number of moles equal to right number of entities by Avogadro number. I think so. Avogadro number, you know that one? That is nothing but Avogadro number, nothing but I hope you know that one. Number of entities by 6.022 into 10 power 23. Is it clear? Now we can see, sir. What is the number of entities? Next question. Is it correct? I hope already be given, but again I am giving. Please look that one. Number of entities. It may be atoms. It may be molecules. It may be ions. Are already given this is not new for you. If you refer our class notes already given, sir. It may be electrons or protons or neutrons. Understood? N means neutron here, not number of moles. You can write spelling or sentence you can write, sir, if you want. N means neutrons. So number of moles I given all these formulas. I hope you can see. In terms of weight by gram atomic mass, if that is atoms, or in place of molecular weight, V liters in terms of volume. Volume is for gases, especially these two things, and this is for particles. Clear? Now, I'm giving together N equal to what you can write, sir. Finally, formula weight by gram atomic mass or weight by gram molecular mass or number of entities by Avogadro number or V liters by 22.4 liters at STP. These are the basic formulas of number of moles. And one more formula, coming classes we are going to discuss. One more formula we are going to be get. Coming classes we are going to discuss, that is okay. But we are writing all together, sir. If you note it down your notes, in future you can understand every point, because together everything is with you, then you can understand very easily. May not be right now, you may not be get every point right now, because we are writing all formulas together means easy for you for future revision purpose. So with that situation I'm giving these formulas. Molarity into m means molarity, okay, I'll write that is, into volume is liters, equal to n. N is the number of moles. I'm writing this is molarity. Alright, molarity we are going to discuss within 3 to 4 classes. Molarity. What is a molarity? That we'll discuss. Please leave that one. Huh? Just I'm giving together. That is the purpose. Your target is only above line, sir. Your target is only above line. This is the you have to understand how to solve problems. I'm going to give right now. I will make you perfect how to use this formula also within the class. You don't worry that one. Just note down. That's what I'm expecting from you. Don't think that one, sir, how to use all these things. That is my responsibility. You will get right now. And this is the molarity. Okay. This is moles. And one more is there. PV equal to nRT, this ideal gas equation. I hope I wrote 2 to 3 times. But still, N equal to P into V by RT. I hope you know that one. P means pressure, V means volume, R equal to universal gas constant. Gas constant. Then T equal to temperature. I hope you know that one. In Kelvin, sir, keep in mind, capital T means that is Kelvin only. So please note down this is, then we can go further slide. How to use all these formulas you can do, sir. If completed, let me know. Yes, yes, very good, very good. Please do remaining people also. Little bit be fast, huh? You can do everything. Some people are too good, too fast also. If done, I can proceed next slide. Alright, today we are going to learn something about number of moles. Don't worry. If possible, you can do at least one question, previous one also. But right now, if today our class is completed, you can do all NEET questions also, even including that is JEE questions also. Sure. Fine. I think so that's we completed. Now we can see. N equal to number of entities is correct. Entities by Avogadro number. Entities may be atoms, molecules, ions. Now I am asking, in place of entities, you can type molecules, number of molecules.
Hello, sir. This is Ranjit.
Yes,
Sorry
sir.
to interrupt. I just want to make an important announcement for the students.
Yes, you can proceed, sir. No.
Okay, thank you. So, students, good morning. Good morning, sir, and good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
So, wait.
They are already going on, recording. Molecules, then N into this is atoms, N into Avogadro number into atomicity. Atomicity meaning we given. I hope you can find out. Now I am giving some few problems. Try to find out. Calculate the number of moles, sir. Question is calculate number of moles. of following cases. Case 1, right sir. 0.4 grams of NaOH. Second one, 49 milligrams of H2SO4. And third one, 0.56 liters of H2 at STP. Fourth one, 1.12 liters of O2 at STP. .01 into 10 power 22 molecules of N2. Yes. Question is same. Calculate number of moles. Try one by one. Array every formula in front of you, sir. Every formula in front of you here. How to calculate number of moles? Every formula in front of you. If you have any doubt, let me know. I will discuss all question answers. First, you can try some people who are able to do. If you are not able to get, we will discuss each and every question. You don't worry. And ultimately, you are going to learn today. You don't worry that one. Huh? Very good. Some people they send direct answers. Good, good. Yes, yes, very good, sir. Doing good. Someone there asked first slide. That's why change. Please note down. Otherwise, take screenshots, sir, because other people are expecting third slide. Yeah. First question, how much answers you got? First write formula, then solve. Don't substitute direct values in the formula. That's not the correct method. First, every case, write suitable formula on the paper, then substitute values. That is the correct method. I'm expecting from you. That's only. Clear? First, write formula, then substitute values. First one, I'm taking here answer, sir. I know only number of formula, number of moles equal to weight by. They given 0.4 NaOH is correct. NaOH is molecular atom, sir. This is molecule. So weight by gram molecular mass is the correct answer formula. So weight 0.4 by 40. So how much you can get, sir? I hope you can write now. This is. If you remove this is 4, you can write here also 40 means into 10 power minus 2 by 40. So I'm removing this point, sir. Here I'm writing. So 10 power 40 will be cancelled. 10 power minus 2, nothing but 0.01 is your answer. Next, sir, this is the first one. Second one, that is also weight they given and molecule, that is also. So first write N equal to weight by, every time write formula, gram molecular mass. I think so 49 milligrams are given, 49. Milligrams means 10 power minus 3. Is it correct? You have to convert all the units is same. And this is 98 grams, sir. H2SO4 weight is 98 grams. Then 49 2 times. Is it correct? So we'll get 1 by 2 into 10 power minus 3. Then take this is 0.5 into 10 power minus 3. Nothing but 5 into 10 power minus 4 moles. Is it correct? Everyone, you got answer same? Please find. If any mistake, if I done, even let me know that one. Okay. No problem. Some people they are giving answers correct only. In the past, maybe they done mistakes. Fine. But take care that is. Now, what is the third question, sir? We are giving 0.56 liters of H2 gas. I know that one only N equal to formula V liters by STP 22.4 liters. First write formula, everyone. Don't save pen paper. That's too bad. 0.56 liters by 22.4. You can write here 5.6 into 10 power minus 1 by 22.4 liters. 4 times, sir, this is. So you can write 1 by 4 into 10 power minus 1. Nothing but 2.5 into 10 power minus 2. Can you write? Check that one. And next 1.12 liters. Fourth one 1.12 liters. N equal to V liters by 22.4 liters. Array, write every time formula to remember long time. That is our concern, sir. You have to remember long time. 1 by 1.2 by 22.4 liters. I hope you can do this is 11.2 into 10 power minus 1 by 22.4. 2 times, sir. So 1 by 2 into 10 power minus 1. Nothing but 5 into 10 power minus 2. We'll get answer, sir. What is the last one? The given molecules of N2. Then we are asking number of moles. So N equal to number of entities or number of molecules by Avogadro number. Is it correct? So 3.01 into 10 power 20. How much we given, sir? 22. 22 by 6.022 into 10 power 23. I take approximately 1, 2. This is 2 times. We are going, this is up. I will get here 1 by 2 into 23. This is upper one is 22 plus 22. If you are writing this is power, it will get minus 23. So plus minus we can add total. How much you will get? Whenever this base is same means power is going to be added. I hope you know that one. 1 by 2 into 10 power minus 1. So nothing but 0.5. If you do this one, sir, 0.5 into 10 power minus 1, 0.05. This is the answer. I think so. Everyone, you got answers? Check your answers, sir. Just check your answers. And I will show all slide, which is you didn't note it down. I'm going to show the slide again. Every time write formula. You have first slide. This is the formula, sir. Everything related to only this slide. Everything related to this slide. That's why I'm telling. Remember this slide perfectly, or you are able. If understood very good, that is. Then which is a given question. Third question. You see, very you can go. 0.4 grams of NaOH they given. Then they're asking number of moles. Go first slide. 0.4 grams of NaOH. NaOH is molecular atom, molecule. So with respect to molecular mass and weight relation, only this is the formula. So N equal to weight by gram molecular mass. This you have to choose that formula. I chosen that one, weight by gram molecular mass, then substituted, I got answers. Same, next also they given, weight they given and H2SO4 is molecule. So weight by gram molecular mass, weight whatever they given I wrote, and molecular weight of H2SO4 I calculated, that is 98. Then which you are getting, that is answer. Any doubts, sir, you can ask. Moles weight ratio, there is no unit moles. That number, 1 dozen, like 12. We are going to be 12 number. 1 dozen is the 12. That's number only. Mole is the number because ratio this is, there is no unit. Any other? First slide I showed number of times. I don't know. In this class I showed too many times. Only first slide I showed that one. 6 slide they're asking. We given N equal to number of entities by Avogadro number. One formula is there. Is it correct or not? Number of entities by Avogadro number. You need to remember this formula. You need to remember. Memorize. No option. You have to memorize this one. Yes, sir. You need to memorize that one. This is 6 slide only, now, which is I am opening that one. See, you can see question what I given. Calculate the number of moles of. Question is calculate the number of moles of which is they given. Okay. Here they given 3.01 into 10 power 22 molecules of N2. What is the formula, sir? Where you have to choose that one? Only one formula this is. Are already given this is. N equal to number of entities by Avogadro number. If entity is equal to, I can write molecules. Is it correct or not? Right? Entity in place of entity is equal to number of molecules by Avogadro number equal to moles formula. What's the difficult here? Is there any difficult, sir? Any difficult here? Yeah, you can write powers also. And now are able to see my screen? Any question you need to explanation, please let me know that one. First, let me write some questions other people that can solve. Then you people you can ask your doubts. Because some people they understood they given answer they are waiting last 5 to 10 minutes onwards. Please consider them also. Or I am giving few more questions. Please find. Calculate mass of 1 mole of electrons. These are little bit important. Try to do. If you are not getting, I will explain, sir. You don't worry this one. Same. Calculate charge. Charge of 1 mole of electron. This question, who understood fine, you can do. At least this is maybe you can say who done already some foundation or some people. For them also these good questions. And again, I'm going to give easy question. Calculate. At least third question onwards, everyone you can try, sir. Everyone you can try. If you are able to do 1 and 2, that's too good. If you are not able to do also, no problem. At least try third question. Calculate number of carbon atoms in 3.42 40 grams of sucrose. This is C12H22O11. I'm giving sir everything. And fourth one. Calculate number of molecules in 1.6 grams of CH4. Please can note down these questions fast, a little bit fast. Then your doubts, previous questions you can ask, sir. We'll discuss those also. Take screenshot or something, otherwise you can do. Then previous questions you didn't get, those are I'm going to give. Yes, sir. Some people they given answers also. Good, good. Very good, very good. That's good, sir. You can try at least. Answers we're getting are not secondary, but we are trying is that's more important for us. Someone they're asking, I'm going previous slide. Please note down questions. For me, difficult to write on this digital pad, but you people you can write a little bit fast. Don't be late. Okay, charge you can leave that one negative or anyway electron charge means negative only. You don't want to keep negative. Okay, itself I mentioned negative, that is. If you want you can write negative also, no issue. Correct, that is also. Someone second slide they're asking, sir. What's your doubt here? Atomicity means I'm asking how many atoms present in the molecule, that is atomicity. Here total 5 atoms, that is atomicity. This is glucose molecule. In glucose, how many carbons? 6. How many hydrogens? 12. Oxygen? 6. Any other slide you need? Fifth slide. Just look first, that is formula. I wrote everything. What's your difficult? Please let me know that one. Volume they given, STP they mention. I have only one formula, number of moles in terms of volume. V liters by 22.4 liters. The question they given liters, that's why I'm using liters. So 0.56 by 22.4 liter, I am calculating, I got 2.5 into 10 power minus 2. And same thing, second also, fourth question also same model. You make and try. Please find, if any doubt you can ask. Electron mass, you have to know that one. You need to calculate each question I given separately. Calculate mass of 1 mole of electrons. Calculate charge of 1 mole of electrons. Calculate number of carbon atoms. And this is. And calculate number of molecules. This molecules. Last one is molecules, sir. Please note down that is molecules, not moles. MOLE, CU, molecules. Last one, not moles, huh? Open first slide, sir, which is I given. Did you note it down or not? Fine, first that is. Every question I have only first slide is the formula list. From that only I am asking every question. I am not changing my formulas. I am not doing every time new things. If you understood properly, then you make and get. First one shall we do? 1 mole mass of 1 mole of electrons. So I am trying to do this one. Please find. I know 1 electron mass equal to how much, sir? 9.1 into 10 power minus 34 kg. Is it correct? Please find. If this value is wrong, then you can't do. I think so. This is a 31 kg, huh? Not 34. Is it correct? 31 kg. 1 electron mass. Then Avogadro number. 1 mole means how many electrons, sir? 1 mole means nothing but 6.022 into 10 power 23 electrons, sir. Weight how much? This is x, just crystals. So x equal to 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. This is kg, sir, into 6.022 into 10 power 23. Understood? You make and multiply services, you will get your answer. Clear? Understood? I hope you understood this point. That multiplication you should not expect from me. At least you can try, and powers you can add. Just I can give idea if you are not getting, but calculation you should not expect from teacher. I hope you got answers you are expecting. Very good. Next question, sir. Anyone? Calculate the number of, charge of 1 mole of electrons. I hope this is at least you can try. 1 electron charge how much, sir? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Minus charge is there, minus is there, already minus is there. That should be anyway indicate electron charge. Now 1 mole of electron means Avogadro number again, 6.02 to 10 power 23. Electron charge equal to how much? So x equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs into 6.022 into 10 power 23. How much will get, sir? Can you try anyone? I think so. Approximately I can get 96,352 coulomb, sir. But in books, when we are solving problems, they are taking 96,500. This is not any rounding figure, but still we are using. This is nothing but 1 Faraday, 1 Farad of electric charge. Scientist names are Faraday means scientist name. 1 Faraday value is like this. 1 joule value, you know already, 4.2 something. Okay, 1 joule, 1 calorie equal to how many joules you are writing, like that. 1 Faraday equal to this much. So 1 mole of electron charge equal to 1 Faraday. Can you write that statement? Can you write? Here only, sir. 1 mole of electron charge equal to 1 Faraday. Write that point, sir. That Faraday value 96,500 coulombs. Please note down. 1 mole of electron charge equal to Faraday. I think so. Something you understood, I'm expecting. Shall we try one question? One more, if you're interested. 2 minutes. I can give one question for you. In terms of electrons, shall we discuss? Are electrons, you know how to calculate. Atomic number equal to electrons, sir. Atomic number equal to electrons. Very simple that is. Suppose carbon, how many electrons they have? Atomic number 6, so 6 electrons. Oxygen, how many electrons they have? 8 atomic number, 8 electrons. If charge is there, we can add electrons, negative charge. If +2 means we can remove electrons. That's a simple answer. Which one you didn't understand, sir, you people? I still not any doubt. Very simple. 1 electron weight, this is given. Then 1 mole of electrons weight equal to how much? So crisscross, sir. Just I am doing crisscross. This is you can multiply like this. Okay. X into electrons, then 9.1 10 power minus 31 into Avogadro number. You will get some answer. Same. 1 electron charge equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Then Avogadro number or 1 mole of electron charge, sir. 1 mole of electron charge equal to how much? Again crisscross we are doing. Then multiply, sir, you will get 1.6 into 6.022 into this is minus 19, this is 23. Multiply, you will get this answer, sir. 96352 coulombs you will get. So, but our textbooks problem solving, they are rounding this one, they are taking for 96500 coulombs. What's your doubt? Please let me know that one. Any difficult thing we done here? Correct. 96352 only coming. That is the only correct answer. Okay, that is the only correct. But anyway, in future we are going to do that one. For numerical solving, 96500 they are giving approximate value they are taking. If you don't like to keep 96500, keep 96352 only. Who will stop you that one? Huh? If you don't like to do that one, then keep 96352 only correct value, multiply with that only. Nothing is going to be wrong. No need, only this value I'm asking. Only Faraday value you can take, this is fixed value. If you don't like that one, please keep in your mind whatever you got value, that's only you can use. No one will stop. Third question they're asking someone, sir. Can I do third question? If you don't want me, it's fine. That's also. First, everything simple, sir. Number of atoms already given. What is the number of atoms equal to formula, sir? N into Avogadro number into atomicity. Is it correct? Number of moles formula, sir. Weight by gram molecular mass is correct. Into 6.022 into 10 power 23 into how many atoms are carbon in glucose? Sir, sucrose are given. GC12 H 22 O11. Is it correct? Only carbon I am asking. Carbon how many? 12. Only carbon. So weight is 3.40 by calculate molecular weight of this one. I think so 340 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 into 12. By solve this one, you will get your answer, sir. 342 marker, wait. Okay, sorry. Fine, fine. I didn't remember that exact value. You calculate whatever you are getting, sir. 342. Yes, they are telling 342, sir. Please find that. Solve and you will get answer. I didn't remember. You can do, sir. How to do? I think the process. You know that one. If you have doubt, you can ask. Okay, if you understood, try to solve some problems based on this. Maybe next class, still more sums you can do, and little bit concept I'm going to be extend that one based on equations, numericals we are going to be solved next class. Clear? Once that numericals you got, then you can do directly numeric problems. If anyone see mostly seekers are providing packages, you can do that's too good. If you need any extra, please you may can consult through my WhatsApp number. I may will suggest some books. Still you need something, at least I can provide little bit PDF. Huh? Thank you. There is someone they told I will help you to activate your Windows. Okay. Whenever you free after class, even evening also, we can do that thing. If you are able to help, thank you very much. That is very thankful for me. Huh? Okay, you can take break, sir. Now you can take break, and who needs some slides, please stay, and remaining you can take break. I hope you understood at least some people. Just practice and come. Next class we'll discuss. I am very poor in these situations which we are doing related to system, all these things. That's why some student ask me, try to help. If possible, if once I done, I may can help you. Huh? But even first, let me do first my system, how they can help. Like KVP portion, which we are discussing, that portion is there, and 11th standard organic is there. I hope 11th standard organic is more weightage for that one, and some basic concepts, atomic structure, gas state, thermodynamics, everything is there. Huh? Even if you can search internet, SA11, sir. SA11 is the your syllabus KVPY. SA12 is for 12th standard. SA11 portion is for some student. They're asking what is the KVPY syllabus. That's why I'm telling. SA11 is for 11th standard. Just you can search internet. They will give PDF. Then those chapters which you are discussing, then do previous questions also KVPY. After discussing our chapters, are able to solving or not, you can try. If you are not getting, bring to us, we can solve. Any other, sir? But something they're asking for Windows activate key something. I don't have that one license version. I am doing just normal one. Free version I'm using. I don't have any license version Windows. Thank you very much. Please take break. I think we have next class. Okay. After class over, then we can see. Thank you very much. I hope you understood.